Tiki Their Ears Off. That's what I thought. Today, we are going to give a listen to Easy As Pie, the second full album by the Surfrajettes. The Surfrajettes are a four-piece, all-woman surf guitar quartet from Toronto, Canada. Toronto's not a real place. Founded in 2015 by guitarist Nicole Damoff and Shermy Freeman, the group went viral in 2018 with a surf instrumental cover of Britney Spears' Toxic. Y'all, I don't think I'm gonna shock anyone by revealing that I'm not much of a Britney Spears fan. But I, like most everyone else on the interwebs back then, was gobsmacked by this cover. The band embraces retro with matching go-go outfits and beehive hairdos on stage. Presumably, they have quit their day jobs because how else could they manage such non-stop touring? On occasion, online commentators have dismissed their musical talent as lacking in the penis department. But I've seen them live twice and I have to say, these women put on a heck of a show. Which brings us to Easy As Pie, a 2024 album release by High Tide Recordings. The conceit here is that every song has some type of food reference to it. The women lead hard into this, with cover art depicting them as waitresses in a mid-century diner. I've got to hand it to them. When they commit to a concept, they are all in. The first song I want to share is Toasted Western, named after a classic Canadian grilled sandwich, presumably one that's popular in diners. Y'all, I love this track. There is a long history of instrumental surf taking cues from country and western sounds. Various covers of Ghost Riders in the Sky and themes from Sergio Leone spaghetti western films are the most obvious examples of this crossover, but the relationship does go deeper. Regardless, Toasted Western does a fantastic job of channeling that mood and feel. What's more, this is an original composition from Damoff and Freeman, bringing something new to the table. 7 of the tracks on this album are original songs by Damoff and Freeman, while the remaining 5 songs are covers. I'm hard-pressed to think of another musical genre other than jazz that relies on standards as much as surf rock. How many covers of Pipeline and Miserlou are out there? So the amount of original music the Surfrajettes have recorded over the years is praiseworthy in and of itself. The fact that the music they've put out is polished and catchy is just gravy. Let's move on to the next track I'm going to share, Spice Up Your Life. I don't think I'm going to shock anyone here by revealing that I'm not much of a Spice Girls fan. Honestly, I didn't even recognize this song when I first heard it, but I thought the guitar interplay was killer. My adult daughters recognized it instantly and thought it was pretty cool. It's not any stretch to say the Surfrajettes' viral hit with Toxic way back when has been both a blessing and a curse. The blessing is obvious. It earned them thousands of new fans overnight and supercharged the band's career. But the curse is that this is the one song they are absolutely expected to play at every live show. That can wear thin when the band tours as much as the Surfrajettes. but it showed these women have a distinct ear for identifying non-surf pop songs that are well suited for a radical surf guitar makeover. On their previous album, that position was filled by Blondie's Heart of Glass. And there's no drop-off with Spice Up Your Life. If this trend continues, I expect I'll be gushing over their unexpected surf guitar covers of Halsey or Doja Cat sometime next year. Finally, let's give a listen to Priss and Vinegar. If memory serves, the band debuted this track live during their tour for the Roller Fink album. This is a high energy track for sure, but as much of it utilizes a high register, there's an inherent playfulness that isn't always present in surf rock, a genre defined more often by power and intensity. It's another original composition, and the snarky pun of the title makes me smile. Yes, they're feminine, but not shrinking violence. They may take the music seriously, but there's no self-importance to the band to be detected. There's joy, there's exuberance here, there's fun. That's infectious. The Surfrajettes are a band that I love seeing live in person. Is their stage presence gimmicky? Well, yeah, delightfully so. But surf fans have embraced that kind of showmanship going back to well before the pyramids all shaved their heads together. A gimmick can only attract attention. To keep it, one needs talent and dedication. The Surfrajettes have both of those in spades. If you're not familiar with these ladies, I recommend you look into their catalog. If you are familiar with them, well, you already know what I'm talking about. As always, I will include links to purchase the band's music below. Streaming services may be convenient, but they screw over the artists big time. If you can support them by buying vinyl or CD or even digital downloads, that helps ensure these independent artists keep making great original content for us to enjoy. With that said, until next time, Tiki if you got 'em.